All right, guys, this is how to replace a battery on a 2011 and up Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm not exactly sure what years this will apply to, but this is a 2011 model, and this is how you do it. All right, so the battery is located under the passenger's seat, and there is a cover right there. That's the first thing you're going to want to do is remove that cover. All right, you got the cover off. Good job. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this little plate here that holds the battery in place. These are going to be 13 millimeter screws, or bolts, I'm sorry, and I would recommend using a deep 13 millimeter socket with a couple extensions or a long extension because it gets a little tight in there. Okay, great. Now you have that plate off. So you're going to want to remove this breather tube right here, tuck that out of the way, and then you're going to want to disconnect your negative battery terminal first, and that's going to be a 10 millimeter socket you'll need. And then you have your positive right back there. So after you have your negative off, go ahead and pop off that positive. All right, and just like that, your battery should slide right out. Just a forewarning, it does weigh roughly 300 pounds. So, no, just kidding. No, it is pretty heavy though, and it's gonna take you a minute to kind of sneak it underneath the seat. Just of course, before you start, make sure the seat is all the way to the front to give you enough clearance to get this thing out. And the last tip I have when removing this battery is, let me show you the front seat here. If you're having difficulty getting the cover off, what I would recommend, before you disconnect the battery, slide the seat all the way back, and it gives you access to the front of the cover, and you can pop the front of it off, because it can be a little tricky. So, guys, after that, basically just reverse process. Just stick it back in the way you took it out, and you should be good to go. So, I really hope that helps. If you're trying to replace your battery in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, leave some comments below, and take care, guys.